Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a chickpeas pulao recipe. Let's start the recipe. Heat oil in a pan and add onions. Saute until golden. Take half of onion and put it in aside. Now add some spices: 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 big cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add little bit water. Meanwhile, add 1 big tomato. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add boiled chickpeas. One teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Simmer for 1 minute. Add 2 cups of water. Cook 1 minute on medium flame. 3 green chilies, 3 to 5 dry plums. Add basmati rice. Cook 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. One teaspoon salt. Now slow down the heat and cook on low heat about 5 to 6 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you liked the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave your valuable feedback in the comments. Now add remaining fried onions for garnishing.